Hello friends, Running Kimono here. Oh my gosh, we have some Walgreens magic with that wonderful Tide and P&G products and the Dawn dish soap, which is like gold in a bottle. And then Rite Aid, we have a $5 moneymaker, which is crazy. So this morning, a lot of us received this booster, which is $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend 20 on the corner of W or W script products. So I believe that is a Walgreens branded product, like the Walgreens body wash, Walgreens, whatever they sell with their logo on it that we're always laughing at and making those unsolved mysteries videos about. But let's pay attention to the date, friends. From the 11th to the 24th. So we got to pay attention. That's the fun will start next week for that booster. If you missed it, I made a very decisive video, I believe on Monday, Dollar General clearance event. That will be taking place this Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So the 9th to the 11th. If you like cheap and free stuff, check out this video, and it's time to scout your store and see if you can score on Friday. So our neighbor's cat brought her little offsprings over this morning. I know a lot of you enjoy these photos. I shot it like zoomed in NASA style because I didn't want to get too close to the kittens through my slider. But yeah, there they are. Two little kittens and a big mommy showing up this morning. How adorable is that? I know a lot of you love cat photos, so that's today's cat photo. And if you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, it would mean the world to me. Okay, the first store that we're at today is Walgreens. We need our friend loaded, and you got to use this one by Saturday. And I hadn't used it on my husband's card, so this is the basket that I grabbed, guys. 4 of the P&G laundry products at $5.49. 2 Dawn dish soaps and 1 toilet paper, and this was like $25-ish of merchandise. And let's just take a quick walk through what I grabbed. Every single P&G product, guys, had a dollar digital coupon. So that's why I got this mix and match of stuff. And look for stuff also at the front of the store. They usually have some sort of like display. Here's all of our wonderful stuff. If you can't find specifically what you're looking for, you might find it at the front of the store. And then my absolute favorite, which is these dryer sheets. If I could run off and marry a box of these $5.49 dryer sheets, I might. I might have lost it too. But here's the promotion. Buy 4 of these, get back a $5 register reward. And yes, I mixed and matched and it printed for me. And then just to give you a quick rundown of all of the digital coupons. At the very least, just load all these digital coupons if you want to do this deal later in the month or whatever, because these coupons don't expire till July the 1st. And this is the Tide Pod one. And then we have the dryer sheets for $1. How can I mess that up? But yeah, it's just nice to get dollar coupons for these products because for the longest time they removed everything. And the $1 for the detergent. Now the next item that I grabbed was 2 of these Dawn dish soaps. Buy 2, get back a $1 register reward. They're the smaller ones, and unfortunately we don't have a digital coupon to go with, but you're getting back a $1 register reward, so it's better than nothing. And as I was a little bit short, I grabbed one of these toilet papers for 79 cents. I know a lot of you are like, grab the sunflower seeds. I'm like, no, I need the toilet paper. That's what I'm doing. Okay, I'm in a goofy mood today. Looking at the overall basket, 4 of those products and mix and match with the dollar digitals is $21.96. 2 of the Dawn dish soaps is $2.48. And then 1 Walgreens single toilet paper for 79 cents. The grand total for my basket is $25.23. I had my booster loaded, which was $10 back when you spend $25. And then I had the 4 digital coupons melting off for me. So with my debit card, I paid $21.23, got back $10 in Walgreens cash, $6 in register rewards, $5 for the P&G products, and $1 for the Dawn. So it made it $5.23 for the 7 or 74 cents per product. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance. I know that $21.23 is a little bit out of pocket. So if you might have manufacturer register rewards, look at the top what it stated. You can obviously throw a couple of those in. It'll attach to your Dawn dish soap or that toilet paper. Okay, friends, so we are going to look at another basket using this booster. So if you were like, I don't really want detergent, this might be another deal for you. It's to grab one of these Bronze and then 2 of the Dawn dish soap. The Braun in store is producing an $8 register reward. Online, it's giving back $5 in Walgreens cash. So you pick which deal you think is the best for you. And here it is. Doesn't he look like Ryan from The Office, the model on that box of the Braun trimmer? Like, I thought that was Ryan from The Office. So here it is, $8 reward when you buy this product, and that is valid till June the 24th. So in celebration of Father's Day, they always throw that in. And then everybody's favorite, the two Dawn dish soaps, buy two, get back a dollar register reward. So this overall basket, guys, two Dawns for $2.48, one Braun shaver for $24.99 for a total of $27.47. I had my booster loaded with my debit card. I paid $27.47, got back $10 in Walgreens cash and $9 in register rewards. $8 for the shaver, $1 for the Dawn, making this beautiful razor $8.47, which is a really good price point. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance as you're using a spend booster. Okay, guys, so just a little teachable moment here when I'm saying you can use a manufacturer register reward. What is that? This is it. So at the top it says manufacturer. So for a spend booster, yes, in theory you can use one of these. So like for example, that Tide basket that I was showing, if you had this $8 register reward that you got from the shavers, you definitely could use that to lessen your out of pocket. However, if you were going to use this on the same shaver deal, a second one won't print. But this is an opportunity to get your basket a little bit less out of pocket, just to note that. Okay, I found these Takis on clearance for 75 cents. The original price, I think, is $2.49. Especially when I see the blues, I always think of Nikocado Avocado. What do you guys think? Yet another solid deal this week is to buy these bags, $2.79, buy one, get two for free. So if you're a home cook and you have a lot to throw in your freezer, I mean, this is a really smart buy when they have this promotion, and they have it maybe once a month. So with the summer in full swing and you're freezing a lot of food or whatever, maybe this is time to stock up on these bags. Okay, so now we're at Rite Aid, which is its own thing. It's a pharmacy. You either have it or you don't, and there is no sister store to Rite Aid, just to note that. I'm a frequent Walgreens shopper, so apologies in advance if I make a mistake and call it Walgreens Cash. It is the bonus cash over at Rite Aid, and there is no sister store to this pharmacy. You either have it or you don't. First deal that we're going to look at is if you just want to go to the store, grab a couple things, and dip, but you want a deal, of course. Like, who doesn't want a deal? So we're just going to discuss that, and then I did a little basket, and then I'll show you that secondly. So for this basket, we're grabbing two of the clearance Dollar Shave Club products, and then two of the American Greeting cards for Father's Day. It must be a Father's Day card for $2.99 a pop. So these four items in a basket. So with the display of different cards over at Rite Aid, they have a 4 off 2, which attaches to those $2.99 Father's Day cards. And the Dollar Shave Club, most of it should be tagged at 50% off. And I went for the two cheapest products, the gel at 50% off, and one of those wipes for like $2.09. Obviously, if you can find two wipes, it's a much better deal. We have this digital coupon, which came off magically for me. And then coupons.com also has a similar rebate, just to note that. Grabbing two of the Dollar Shave Club clearance products for $5.43. And then two of the American Greeting cards at $2.99 a pop for $5.98. That's a total of $11.41. I had that $3.50 digital coupon for Dollar Shave Club plus a $4 tear pad coupon that melted off. I paid $3.91 out of pocket, or I just rolled some bonus cash. And the promotion for this is to buy all four of these products, get back $10 in bonus cash. I achieved that. Plus, I also made a submission to coupons.com for $3.50 for one of my Dollar Shave Club products. After everything's said and done, guys, this was like a $9.59 moneymaker. So yes, please, and thank you so much. Love this deal. Okay, the next deal I'm going to show you is a basket that I did with a 7 off of 35 that printed for me last week out of the Catalina machine. So what I did for this, to get the basket to 35, I grabbed all of that Dollar Shave Club stuff, 2 greeting cards, and then 4 U-Bite Kotex products. The U-Bite Kotex is on this promotion, and it's the same promotion as the Huggies this week if you went for the diapers. To spend 30, get back 10, and it's on a buy one, get one 50% off. I don't have any coupons for these products. I had one digital for the pads, but the tampons I didn't have anything for that, but it was still a really good deal for me. So I have a bonus cash challenge for spending 26, get back $7. So with that, guys, I'm already getting $17 back. Plus, I think Fetch Rewards gave me back like 1,700 points for this as well. Okay, so we're again at Rite Aid. Two of the Dollar Shave Club clearance products for $5.43. Two American greeting cards at $2.99 a pop is $5.98. And then a lot of those larger Kotex products were $11.49. So what I grabbed was $31.21 on a BOGO 50% off. So the grand total for this basket was $42.62. I had that Catalina of spend 35 get 7 off, so that melted off. I presented the $4 tear pad. I had the $3.50 Dollar Shave Club digital coupon plus another $1 digital for the Kotex. I rolled $27 of bonus cash to pay that. I got back $20 in bonus cash, 10 for Kotex and then 10 for that greeting card Dollar Shave Club thing. And then I'm going to get $7 back from the bonus cash challenges, plus $3.50 back from coupons.com for the Dollar Shave Club, and then $17.50 back from Fetch for spending $30 on Kotex. So it made my basket free plus a $5.07 money maker. And then just to show you with Fetch Rewards, spend $30 on Kotex, get back $17.50 in points. So that's a little something. I'm surprised I actually got this. I didn't even know I had this rebate. Everybody's bonus cash challenge is a little bit different. I saw that Kotex one and I knew $17 back on $30 a product with the 7 off when you spend 35, possibly a deal, but it turned out to be a freebie and a money maker, and I guess that's sometimes what you find when you're extreme couponing. Okay guys, that's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.